Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. So in this video, we are going to learn how to automatically send SMS using Twilio on Wix form submission. So let's suppose I am running a home decor small business and collecting all my customers with the help of Wix form. Now I want that whenever my customer submits the form, a SMS should automatically be sent to all my customers. I can do this automation with the help of Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect is an amazing automation and integration software which requires no coding or programming skill. I just need to build connection between Wix and Twilio. Pabbly Connect runs on two principles, which is trigger and action. Here as my trigger application, I will take Wix where the new form submission will be made and this complete workflow will get triggered. And in my action application, I will take Twilio where the SMS will be sent to all my customers as soon as the form submission will be made. If you want to learn this amazing automation step by step, let me take you all to my screen. In this video, we are going to learn how to send SMS from Twilio on Wix form submission. For this, we are going to create automation between Wix forms and Twilio with the help of Pabbly Connect. So this is the landing page of Pabbly and you can visit this simply by typing pabbly.com/connect in your browser. After browsing the website, we need to sign into a Pabbly account. On the top right corner, you can see two options, sign in and sign up for free. If you are an existing user, click on sign in. But if you are a new user, click on sign up for free and this will give you 100 tasks free on monthly basis. As I am an existing user, I'll click on sign in. And here a dashboard has appeared which is showing me all the Pabbly applications. Here I need to click on Pabbly Connect Access Now. And it has taken me to this dashboard where I will be able to see all my workflows over here and all the folders that I have created over here. If you want to create a new folder, you just need to click on this plus icon and from here you can create a new folder. For now, I want to create a new workflow for which I need to click on this create workflow. And now it's asking me to enter the workflow name and select the folder in which I want to save this workflow. So first, let's name this workflow as how to automatically send SMS using Twilio on Wix form submission. Now I need to select the folder in which I want to save this workflow. So these are the folders that I have created and I want to select all automations and click on create. As soon as I click on create, two boxes have appeared in front of me. One is trigger, other is action. So trigger says when this happens, action says do this. So trigger is basically an event which starts the automation of a workflow. There can be only one trigger in a workflow but as many as action applications as you want. Here in this workflow, I want to send SMS using Twilio on Wix form submission, which means whenever a form submission will be made, a SMS will be sent automatically, which means whenever a form submission will be made, this complete workflow will get triggered. So our trigger application will be Wix forms and here our trigger event will be new form submission. Now I need to make connection between Pabbly Connect and Wix forms for which a webhook URL is given to us. And this URL will act as a bridge to connect my Wix forms with Pabbly Connect. So reading this help desk given below over here, I will make the connection. And so as to make the connection, let me take you to my Wix form. So this is my Wix account and on the left hand side, I can see all the options. Here I need to click on automations. And on the right hand side top corner, I can see an option of new automations. I have to click here. And then click on start from scratch. So over here I need to choose my trigger which I will select as Wix forms and then select the trigger as form submitted and over here I will simply select any. If you have a specific form you can select that as well. Next I will choose my action which is send via webhook and over here I need to enter my webhook URL which I am provided in my trigger step. So to enter this, let's go back to Pabbly and from over here, copy this webhook URL and simply paste it over here. Now I simply need to click on activate and give this a name. So let's say I give this a name as Twilio and click on save. Your new automation is now active. Now let's go back to Pabbly and over here we can see waiting for the webhook response. And under this, it's written now log into the application where you have added the webhook URL and do test submission so that the data can be recorded here in the webhook response. Now, so as to get the webhook response over here, I need to do a test submission for which I need to open my Wix form. So let's open my Wix form, and over here, this is my Wix form. I need to enter some dummy details. So let's say my first name is new. My last name is user. My email address is new45@pabblytudes.com. And my phone number is, and my company is, let's say, Pabbly. Now click on submit. So we have submitted the form. Now let's go back to Pabbly and check whether it has captured this response there or not. And we can see we have instantly captured the response. Company was Pabbly, phone number was this. Email address was new45@pabblytudes.com. First name was new, last name was user. This means Wix Forms is connected with Pabbly Connect, and now we need to move to our next step, which is action step. So over here, I want to send SMS as soon as the form submission has been made. And to send the SMS, I'm going to choose an application, Twilio, as my action application. And here, I will select the action event as send SMS message. Click on connect. If you have an existing connection, you can simply go with save. But if you don't have one, click on add new connection. And over here, you need to enter these details. So as to enter this, let me take you to my Twilio. So this is my Twilio dashboard, and if I scroll down, I will be able to find all my details over there. So over here, I can see account SID, auth token, and my Twilio phone number. So I simply need to copy my account SID and paste it over here. And then I need to copy my authorization token. So let's go back and copy this token and simply paste it over here. Click on save. So Twilio is connected with Pabbly Connect, and now I need to enter all these details. So the first one is body of the SMS. So let's say I want to enter, dear customer, we have received your inquiry and we will get back to you shortly. If you have any, now I need to enter my sender name and the recipient number. So it's written the approved sending number in your Twilio account. So let's go back to my Twilio account, and from over here, I need to copy this and paste my Twilio number over here. Next, I need to enter the recipient number. So to enter this, I'm going to use a process called mapping, which means I'm going to enter data from my previous response. So I have received response from my Wix Forms. So I will simply click over here on Wix Forms and enter the phone number as this. So mapping is important so that every time you receive a new response, it is taken into consideration in this field. Manually entering the number will make it static and the information will not change even if you have received the new response. Here, if I manually write my phone number, something like this field will become static and the information will not change even if you have received the new response as a phone number. So as to keep these fields dynamic, we use mapping. So as I have entered a dummy phone number over here, for now, I will simply remove this and enter my own phone number so that I can show you the Twilio SMS that I will receive on my phone number. Now, I simply need to click on Save and Send Test Request. And over here, we have received the response. Dear customer, we have received your inquiry and we will get back to you shortly. If you have any queries, please don't hesitate to contact us at this number. Thanks, regards. So I need to open my phone and check whether I have received this SMS there or not. So over here I have received the message. It reads as, dear customer, we have received your inquiry and we will get back to you shortly. If you have any queries, please don't hesitate to contact us at this number. Thanks, regards. So as to summarize, we took Wix Forms as our trigger application where we made connection with Pabbly Connect with the help of this webhook URL. Submitted the form and received the response over here, after which we took our action application as Twilio, where we drafted the message, entered the sender's and the recipient phone number, simply clicked on Save and Send Test Request, and received the SMS on the phone number. So we have successfully created automation between Wix Forms and Twilio with the help of Pabbly Connect. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching. Not only these applications, but you can integrate many more applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. Now, if you have any doubt, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, you can reach at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, you can visit the website given over here. Also, if you find our videos helpful, do share it with your friends and like and subscribe to our channel.